Thank you for purchasing the VirtuClean 2.0 Cpap sanitizer device. The VirtuClean 2.0 produces O3, most commonly known as ozone. This gas is proven to kill 99% of all germs and bacteria commonly found in Cpap equipment. If your Cpap equipment is not getting cleaned regularly, germs, bacteria, and mold can form inside of the equipment and make you sick. Your Cpap device should be cleaned daily. Please check with your Cpap provider for how often you should clean your equipment. To use your VirtuClean 2.0, you'll first need to charge it. Plug the device into a power source and the charging indicator will display on the screen. Once your device has been fully charged, unplug the device and hold your finger over the on button for a few seconds until you hear the device turn on. The first screen you'll see is the VirtuClean 2.0 logo screen. Tap the On button twice to bring up the main menu. On the main menu, you'll see the following: a 7 days reminder, a ketone, the version number, and exit. To navigate through this menu, tap once to select which option you're looking to customize. Once you're on the desired option, hold your finger over the On button until that option is selected. The second screen you will see will be a QR code. If you have a smartphone, you'll need to have it easily accessible. Simply scan the code and automatically register your device with the manufacturer for your 24-month warranty. This screen will appear for the first 10 times you turn on your VirtuClean. The next screen will display compliance features, including total times cleaned, total hours used, and times cleaned in the last 7 days. The screen will then display a countdown while the cleaning cycle is running. It will also display the compliance from the previous week on the top portion of the screen. To clean your mask and tubing with the VirtuClean device, just follow these simple steps. You'll need your VirtuClean device and the cleaning bag. First, disconnect your tubing from your Cpap machine. Then, connect the opened end of your tubing to the VirtuClean 2.0 device. Next, disconnect your mask from the hose and place the mask inside the bag provided with the unit. Remove the humidifier chamber from the Cpap machine. Be sure to empty all water from your humidifier chamber. Then, place the humidifier chamber inside the bag with the face mask and zip the bag up. Then connect the other end of the Cpap tubing to the top of the VirtuClean bag. Now you're ready to turn on the VirtuClean. Press the On button for a few seconds until you see and hear the device turn on. The device cleans for 30 minutes. Once the VirtuClean 2.0 has completed the cleaning cycle and fresh air flush, the device automatically turns itself off. Your mask and tubing are now 99.9% clean.